Welcome to our video. Today we are exploring the best rice cookers with multiple settings. Get ready to see versatile options that can handle all your cooking needs. Check the description box for product links and more. Plus, we'll reveal a special feature you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Tiger JAX T10U rice cooker. The Tiger JAX T10U rice cooker is a top-of-the-line model that delivers consistently delicious results. As a leading brand in the rice cooker market, Tiger is renowned for their durable, high-performing appliances, and this model lives up to that reputation. Induction heating technology. At the heart of the JAX T10U is Tiger's advanced induction heating system. Unlike standard rice cookers that use a basic heating plate, the induction technology ensures the inner pot heats evenly from all sides. This results in rice that cooks through perfectly, with no burnt or undercooked spots. Versatile cooking functions. In addition to standard white rice, this Tiger model offers multiple specialized cooking functions. You can use the quick cook setting for fast meal prep, the mixed rice setting for dishes with grains and vegetables, and the porridge mode for creamy, comforting results. No matter what type of rice you're preparing, the JAX T10U has you covered. Keep warm for 24 hours. One of the most convenient features of this rice cooker is the extended keep warm function. After your rice finishes cooking, it will automatically switch to the keep warm mode and maintain the ideal serving temperature for up to 24 hours. Why it's great. For rice lovers who demand consistent, high-quality results, the Tiger JAX T10U rice cooker is a fantastic choice. With its advanced induction heating, versatile cooking options, and extended keep warm capabilities, this model makes it easy to prepare perfect rice every time. At number 4 is the Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice for home cooks who want a reliable, full-featured rice cooker without breaking the bank. This affordable model packs a punch, offering a generous 8-cup capacity and a variety of cooking functions to handle all your rice-based meal needs. Versatile cooking options. Whether you're preparing classic white rice, hearty brown rice, or steaming vegetables, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker has you covered. The intuitive digital control panel provides dedicated settings for each type of rice, ensuring optimal cooking times and temperatures for perfect results every time. Generous 8-cup capacity. With an 8-cup cooked rice capacity, this Aroma model is ideal for families or anyone who likes to meal prep. The non-stick inner pot makes it easy to scoop out portions, and the tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking progress without losing heat or steam. Delay timer for convenience. For added convenience, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker features a delay timer that can be set up to 15 hours in advance. This allows you to have freshly cooked rice ready to go when you need it, without having to time your meal prep perfectly. Why it's great. If you're in the market for a reliable, versatile rice cooker that won't break the bank, the Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. With its multiple cooking settings, generous capacity, and convenient delay timer, this model delivers impressive performance and value. At number 3 at our list is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a remarkably versatile kitchen appliance, combining the functionality of 7 different cooking tools into one compact and user-friendly device. 7 cooking functions. This pressure cooker can do it all. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. With 7 appliances in one, the Instant Pot streamlines meal preparation and frees up valuable counter space. 13 one-touch presets. Equipped with 13 customizable cooking programs, the Instant Pot takes the guesswork out of cooking. Simply select the preset for your desired dish, and the appliance will automatically adjust time and temperature for perfect results. Durable stainless steel. The Instant Pot's inner pot is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution and easy cleaning. Unlike non-stick pots, this inner liner will maintain its pristine condition for years to come. Why it's great. The Instant Pot's unparalleled versatility is what makes it a game-changer in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a hearty chili, fluffy rice, or a tender roast, this appliance can handle it all with ease. The combination of pressure cooking, slow cooking, and pre-programmed settings streamlines meal prep, giving you more time to enjoy your culinary creations. At number 2 is the Cuckoo CRP P0609S rice cooker. When it comes to cooking rice to perfection, the Cuckoo CRP P0609S rice cooker is a true standout. This advanced appliance combines the power of pressure cooking with a wide range of specialized settings, delivering consistently delicious results for everything from classic white rice to nutrient-dense GABA brown rice. Pressure cooking perfection. At the heart of the Cuckoo rice cooker is its pressure cooking capability. By harnessing the power of pressurized steam, this appliance can cook rice up to 50% faster than traditional methods, locking in flavor and nutrients for an unparalleled texture and taste. Versatile rice settings. The Cuckoo CRP P0609S goes far beyond basic white rice, offering specialized settings for mixed rice, GABA brown rice, and more. Whether you're in the mood for fluffy long grain, hearty short grain, or nutrient-dense whole grain, this rice cooker has you covered. Voice navigation in multiple languages. One of the standout features of the Cuckoo rice cooker is its voice navigation system, which provides step-by-step cooking guidance in multiple languages. This intuitive interface makes the appliance easy to use, even for those new to pressure cooking. Why it's great. The Cuckoo CRP P0609S rice cooker is renowned for its exceptional build quality and performance, particularly when it comes to Korean and mixed rice dishes. The combination of pressure cooking, specialized rice settings, and voice-guided navigation sets this appliance apart, making it a must-have for discerning home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker. When it comes to cooking rice to perfection, the Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker is in a league of its own. This advanced appliance combines cutting-edge technology with a wide range of specialized settings, delivering consistently delicious results for everything from fluffy white rice to hearty brown rice. Versatile rice settings. The Zojirushi rice cooker goes far beyond basic white rice, offering dedicated settings for sushi rice, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, and more. No matter your preference, this appliance can handle it with ease, ensuring perfect texture and flavor every time. Fuzzy logic technology. At the heart of the Zojirushi's exceptional performance is its Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. This advanced system constantly monitors temperature and adjusts cooking time and heat levels to ensure optimal results, taking the guesswork out of rice preparation. Keep warm and extended keep warm. Once your rice is cooked to perfection, the Zojirushi's Keep Warm and Extended Keep Warm functions will maintain the ideal serving temperature for up to 12 hours. This ensures your rice stays fresh and ready to enjoy, even if your meal is delayed. Why it's great. The Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker is widely regarded as one of the best on the market, and for good reason. Its combination of versatile settings, precise temperature control, and advanced keep warm features make it an indispensable tool for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker as our best value option, and the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. Finding the best rice cooker with multiple settings can elevate your cooking experience, offering versatility and precision. These devices simplify meal preparation, accommodating various grains and recipes. Some can even handle soups and stews, making them a valuable addition to any kitchen.